Hey guys, it's Lisa with An Appetizing Life, and today I'm making a dish that's going to take you less than 25 minutes to make from start to finish. It's a baked cod with tomatoes and mushrooms. This quick and simple dish is flavored with lemon juice, Italian parsley, basil, and fresh garlic. Okay, so we're gonna get everything prepped before we start cooking this. So we'll start with the tomatoes, and these are cherry tomatoes. I just chose the different colors to have a medley of color. So let's slice them in half. Chop a little Italian parsley. Chop some garlic. So here's a quick tip on how to chop fresh basil. Separate the leaves from the stem, pile them one on top of each other. Roll the leaves tightly, like a cigar, and chop them thinly. This is also known as a chiffonade. And I'm gonna squeeze some fresh lemon juice. Now my recipe calls for sliced mushrooms. I was lazy and I bought them pre-sliced, but you certainly can get them, wipe them off and slice them thinly. Now when I originally created this recipe, I was going to use halibut, but changed my mind. Cod was on sale, and so we're using cod in this. Make sure to take the skin off of the cod, and you could do it yourself or you could ask your fishmonger to do it. Who has a fishmonger? Again, that's the real term. The guy behind the counter, just have him take the skin off. So I want to get the mushrooms a little bit more tender before I put them in the oven with the fish. So get your pan hot over a medium-high heat. Add in some olive oil and add in my mushrooms. I'm just trying to soften the mushrooms just a little bit. So I cooked the mushrooms for about 4 minutes. Now I'm going to add in the tomatoes and the garlic, salt, pepper. We're going to cook this for about another 2 minutes. So I'm going to take this off the heat and get our fish prepped. So to bake the fish, you need a baking dish that's about, this one's about 9.5 by 13.5 inches wide, and it's glass. You can use any type of dish that you have. And I've just lightly brushed olive oil on the bottom so the fish doesn't stick. Season both sides of the fish with salt and pepper. Spoon on a little of that lemon juice that we did earlier. And let's add the tomatoes. Just a few got away. And you want to spread that evenly over the fish. Okay, I'm going to put this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes, depending on how your oven is calibrated. And there's the baked cod with mushrooms and tomatoes, fresh out of the oven. And all those herbs I chopped up earlier, we're going to sprinkle them right on top. Basil, fresh parsley. I cut up some lemon wedges to serve with this too. So here's what it looks like, all plated and pretty. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, and you'll be notified every time I have a new video. And if you want to get the full recipe, head over to An Appetizing Life. I need a bottle of wine and a glass and a fork. Yeah.